Hey my friends, welcome back to today's video. This is Odette and I hope you guys are all doing well. So today I have an unboxing for you guys, and this is the Boots and Macmillan Beauty Calendar for 2019, the Beauty Advent Calendar for 2019. Now I actually purchased this beauty box for myself. Okay, this is a gift for myself because I've been busy since June with the magazine and all of that stuff. So I thought, let me just treat myself to something. And the reason why I actually purchased this box is because the Macmillan Cancer Center in Boots has teamed up a few years ago to raise money for anyone living with cancer. That could be from financial support through research, anything that has to do with the help and support for anyone living with cancer. So not only am I buying some goodies for myself, I'm actually giving back to the community as well for anyone living with living or going through cancer treatment. And I mean, when I lived in Canada, I worked at a cancer center for a very long time, so I do understand you know what people are going through who are living with cancer. My mother-in-law unfortunately passed away from cancer, so I mean, cancer has really touched most people's lives. And I thought, why not do something, especially this time of year? It's a time of giving. Although I'm going to be getting some beauty things for myself, proceeds from this box is actually going back to the Cancer Center for research and for financial support, again, for anyone living with cancer. So, and I think this is a great beauty box. I love the design. It's not very big. So we are just going to open this up today and we're going to see what's inside. I was going to do another giveaway, but I thought, you know what? I need to treat myself. So let me just see how I can open up this box. And oh, look at that. I guess you just have to punch everything open. It's really nice. So I'm just going to, there it is. Okay. So I'm just going to put this on my desk and we are going to see what's in box number 1. And let's get going. Wow. Let's see. This is from Champneys. I've never heard of this brand before. This is a softening hand cream. This is what this product looks like. Okay, there it is. I never heard of this brand before. Let's see what we can find in box number 2. In number 2, we do have Joules. It says Moody Brilliant, and it's a body wash. Very, very unusual names and unusual companies I've never heard of before. But, yeah. That is pretty cool. Number 3 is up here. Let's see what we can find in number 3. I just love to open up advent calendars because you never know what you're going to get on the inside. And I think I'm going to need some help pulling this out. And let's see. There we be. It says Sexy Mother Pucker. It looks like it's a lip gloss, really. Really? Why would you name that? Mother Pucker. Seriously, that's what it says on here. There we go. And this looks like a lip gloss. Let me do a little swatch for you guys. There we go. Hope you guys can see that. It is right at the end, right there. Okay. Oh, this is number 3. What's in number 4? This is, I think it's called Joules, Bright and Breezy Body Mist. This is what the product looks like. Okay, let me just spray a little bit of that on. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, this smells really nice. Amazing. That was number 4, was it? Number 4. Let's see if we can find number 5. Let's see what's in number 5. And this looks like a lip balm. Let me just show you the product first. That's it right there. Okay. Let's see if we can open that. That's a lip balm. Right there. Wow, that's number 5. Number 6, where are you, number 6? In number 6, we do have Brow Lash Gel. Ooh, There we go, from number 6. And this is the C.Y.O brand. Let me just see if I can open this up quickly. See what it says. I've never seen this before. Brow and lash gel. Does this make your lash grow or something? Or what's the deal? Yeah, but that's what this product looks like. It's like a gel base product. That was number 6. Let's bust into number 7. Ooh, from Earle. I've already have one of these. This is a facial cloth, and you can just use this to remove all of the makeup from your skin and helps to detox. And this is what this looks like. Okay, it's just a face cloth. That was at number 7. Let's try to find number 8. And you do have something from Earle, and this is a Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. So this cleanser goes with this cloth, because I do have a set where the cloth and the cleanser full size comes together. So you use them both together, and this has to be warm. So that's a really, really good buy. So the number 9, let's see what's in number 9. So number 9, we do have, again, from Champneys, Foot Nourishing Foot Butter. There we go. Really nice products. Okay, that was number 9. Let's see what's in number 10. We do have something from Botanics. It says All Bright with Hibiscus. This is a Radiance Balm for all skin types. And that's the product right there. And these seems to be full-size products as well. Okay. Number 11. Let's see what we do have in number 11. Something from number 7. This is the Protect and Perfect Lip Care. This is hypoallergenic. There we go. That's what that is. And I'm really into lip balms and stuff like that. That's really nice. Okay. That's number 11, wasn't it? So number 12. Number 12 is, again, from C.Y.O, and this is a semi-permanent eyeliner. Wow. Semi-permanent eyeliner. Really, I have to try this out. Let me just see if I can open this up. Semi-permanent eyeliner? Really? Oh. Is it liquid? Ah, it looks like it's a liquid. Semi-permanent eyeliner. Okay then, that was number 12. Let's see what we got in number 13. In number 13, we do have Clean On Me. This is a creamy moisture shower gel from Soap and Glory. That's that. Okay. Number 14. Let's see what's in number 14. Ooh, another Soap and Glory product. I've never actually used anything from Soap and Glory before. The Righteous Butter, and this is a body moisturizing lotion, and very dry skin formula. Ooh. Oh, it smells nice. There we go. Yeah, I've never actually tried anything from Soap and Glory before. So there are 2 things so far from them in the beauty box. Let's see if we can get to number 15. What's in number 15? Ooh. Something is wrapped up in a ball, so I have a feeling this might be like a bath bomb or something. And it certainly is a bath bomb. There it is. Really, oops, hope you can see that. Really nice. Okay. Number 16. Where is number 16? Let's get you open. Ah! Beauty blender. Oh my god, look at that. That is so cute. Beauty blender. I have so many beauty blenders, guys. So many. Number 17. What do we got? Again, something from Earle. Let's try to bust this baby open. This is an Instant Boost Skin Tonic. A little bit bigger than a sample size. That's what that looks like. Let's see what's in number 18. You got some really nice products in here for number 18. Let me just try to open that up. Oh my god. It's a concealer brush. Look at how nice that is. I don't even know how to say the brand. Is it Masqd or something like that? I have no idea. I know I just butchered that. That's a really nice brush. Ooh, that's nice. So number 19. Let's see what we've got in number 19. Let's just open this up. And from number 7, I actually have this already. It's a Skin Illuminator. Natural Looking Radiance for a beautiful glow. This, I've already have it. I'm using this product already. This is a really good one from number 7. So number 20. Let's see if we can find number 20. Number 20 is something from Sleek. Lash. This is a lip shot. What's the color of this? This is called Behind Closed Doors. That's what this looks like. Okay, let's see if we can open that up. And we are going to do a little swatch. Ah, very nice. Beautiful color. Obviously, if I'm swatching these things, I'm not going to give them away because no point. Okay. So, number 21. Let's go to 21. Oh, I didn't even use this. It's an eyelash curler. I've never actually used this before, so I may just put this into a giveaway. Number 22, let's see what we've got. Ah! We got something from Sleek. Oh my god, look at the colors. Let me just remove the brush. What? Gorgeous. This is beautiful, and it looked like they're all shimmer colors. This is really, really pretty. Wow. That's amazing. So I won't be giving this away because I think I'm going to use that. Number 23. Where do we have number 23? Here we go, on this side. Ah, we do have another brush, and it's a foundation brush. So we do have the concealer brush. Is it a concealer? Yeah, it's a concealer brush and a foundation brush. Look at that. Same brand. Beautiful. So this is what we just got, and I love the color of it. It's really, really pretty. Number 24. Let's see what we got in number 24. Again, something from number 7. Protect and Perfect Intense Eye Cream. There we go from number 7. Okay. And that's it for this unboxing today. Again, this is the beauty calendar from Boots, and it says here discover 24 hidden gems, not 25, because normally you have 25 items in your beauty calendar in support of Macmillan Cancer Support, and you've got a whole bunch of beautiful things in here, and all of these products are worth £132 and 21p. So it is a really good beauty box to have, and again, proceeds will be going to the Macmillan Cancer Support to support anyone going through cancer. That could be treatment, and that could be a financial support as well. And it is highly recommended. Okay, if you want to get this box and do a giveaway for yourself, go right ahead. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I shall see you next time. Bye.